Hello. So today, the the one who's gonna demolish this wall, demo, they're gonna be, I don't know if they're going to demo today, but they said they're going to what do you call that? I forgot. Prep. He's going to prep the wall. What he's going to do to this demolition, because they're going to put a new beam, a steel beam in here, so that our living room will be open, because this is the wall. There is a cabinet here before, and we asked Sunny removed it, so that we're extending our living room. Because of this house is so small. Well, anyway, it's just enough for the two of us. So that wall is coming down. And that's the other side of the wall. At the back, there's a cabinet. And here, there is a closet for this. It's like this. So that's a living room. No, sorry. That's a guest room. This is the guest room that I used to do my office work here, because I work from home, and I just stopped working last September 14 or 15, because I was let go of my company. Now I'm fully retired. So yeah, this is the guest room. So this is the one supposed to be taken down. That's a closet. Like that. A closet for this small guest room. So the closet will be gone. So the one who's gonna demolish this wall, that wall, will be coming today. And there's a small cabinet there. Okay. Hold on, I'm gonna turn off the light. So that wall. And this is the living room with the dining table. I guess our dining table is too big for us, so I think we're gonna change our dining table. That's the washroom over there. And that is our bedroom. That's the front door, and that is the back door. I will show you also our each room next time, even the basement. I will show them to you. Just starting to vlog. Bear with me. Bye.